get your hands up. Get your hands. Ready? Okay, wait. I have to grab you. Ready?
We did it before, man.
What? Oh, I can't even lift you. Okay, go get it.
Just put Pikachu on top.
Where did I grab you by last time? Here?
I think it was this chest.
Okay. This chest.
That's fine.
What?
I was like, flying.
Why were you wiggling? You were like wiggling.
Okay, screw this.